Automation is the key to growth. With ActiveCampaign, you can create automated workflows that send personalized communications to your audience exactly when they need them. Say goodbye to manual tasks and let our system work for you. Did you know that 95% of businesses using automation reach goals they never imagined? Imagine being able to attract high-quality leads and increase customer engagement, all within a centralized platform. With ActiveCampaign, this is a reality. Our marketing solution offers advanced personalization and automation that drives your growth. Don't let your competitors surpass you. Try it today and see the difference. If you want to win more business, ActiveCampaign is the answer. Our sales automation and CRM platform help you capture, qualify, and engage leads like never before. Sales automation increases qualified leads by an average of 110% year-over-year. Don't waste any time. Try it now and start closing more deals. Integrating your work tools is essential for success. With ActiveCampaign, you easily connect to over 900 different apps. This means you'll have all the tools you need to achieve incredible results. Try it and see how ActiveCampaign can transform your business. Don't waste more time on outdated solutions. Try ActiveCampaign today. And the best part? No credit card is required to get started. Click the link in the description and start your free trial now. Transform your business with ActiveCampaign. Join us and discover how marketing automation can take your success to new heights. We look forward to seeing you there.